special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time, baby.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I am starting off with my bold cap method. Excuse the hair underneath, guys. You might need to lay your hair flat like in cornrows or something like that, but mine was in twists. Okay, so this is how long this unit is. I will set on the hair details in the description box down below. I'm gonna go ahead and start trimming off that extra lace you see right here, and I was a bit too lazy to plug all over the hairline like you see right here. I would definitely have to go in and do plucking a little bit more. I'm just gonna go ahead, you guys, and use my powder just to blend my lace, okay, with my skin tone. The next thing that I'll do right now, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Got to Be Glued spray. You guys know that I really love this stuff. Like, it dries super fast. It is very easy to use, okay. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start laying down my frontal. You need to make sure that you're laying your frontal bit by bit and make sure that you know you get any stray hairs out of the place, because any stray hairs might make your unit look, you know, unnatural and not that flawless, and see. Just love how thick this hair is. Like, look at that, guys. That's 4 bundles of hair. That's very thick. Like, oh my god, just showing you guys how flawless this unit looks. That's the advantage of using the bold cap method. Like you see, you can actually hardly tell that this is not my real parting, like not my real hair, okay. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use a little bit of my John Frieda hair serum, because I will definitely have to curl this hair. And I did try to layer this hair, hunty. I'm not good at layering, okay, but yeah, I did try my best. I'm just gonna go ahead and lay my parting flat. Like, oh my god, the bold cap method is absolutely good if you want your unit to look as natural as possible. And I will definitely go ahead now and start curling the hair. I did not curl the whole head, okay. I was a little bit lazy, like I said. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and I also hope you guys have subscribed if you haven't subscribed yet. Like, seriously guys, what are you waiting for? Watch and subscribe. That's what I'm asking of you guys, and also share my videos, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and lay down my baby hairs using the Got to Be Glued gel. This is actually optional. You don't really have to go through this process, okay. But in this video I wanted to show you guys that you can lay your baby hairs as natural as possible. Like, I did not pull out much hair like you see right here, you guys. I wanted it to look very natural, and I'm spraying my Got to Be Glued spray just to make sure that that front of my hair remains, you know, flawless. I don't want it to be flat. Like, most of the time I don't prefer it flat, okay. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just make sure that it stays in place using my curling wand. And I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my parting as well with my Got to Be Glued spray so that it stays in place, okay. We don't want to lose this part in, hunty. This hair doesn't tangle, this hair doesn't shade that much. It is just amazing, good quality hair. Like seriously, I love Tinashe hair. So like I said, I'll leave all the hair details in the description box down below.
Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me.
So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget thumbs up this video, also comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.